Hey, Bruce here, the 5-Minute Handyman. We have a tile issue here, and let me show you what we're doing. These are accent tiles that I put up. These are the regular tiles throughout the rest of the shower. But these accent tiles have a pattern on them. Let's see if I can get this to show up. It's a white on white pattern, and we thought that would be a nice feature to have around this niche box. But there's a problem with the tiles, the way that they were manufactured. There's defects on it. You can see that there's a band that actually is about the same color as these tiles, and that band started when I grouted. And so it's a moisture related thing, which means that the tiles are not sealed, that they're porous. And so we have to take these tiles off, and then we're going to put on probably these same tiles around the niche box, and we'll lose our little accent. So I wanted to show you how to take these down, and what I did is after I grouted the shower, I saw this border here, and so what I did is when the grout was still wet, I gouged it out so that it would be easier for me to take the tiles down. Now if I had to take this tile off or this one, what I would have to do is because the grout is hard now, I'd have to get a grout removal tool and scrape the grout out. But as you do that, you always have the chance of chipping the tile that you want to keep. So fortunately I was able to get those off, so now it's just a matter of getting the tiles off. Here's my friend today. This is a spackle blade and the hammer. And so what I'll do is I'm going to take this and break off some of the thin set. This blue is a Progress waterproofing board that we used around the shower. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this flat here so that it just slides across, and I'll hammer it in. I want to make sure that I don't get my tip to damage a tile here or here. Let's see how we do on this. Now this edge is starting to go underneath this tile, and I don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break off the section here because this is now stressing the tile. It's going to be pretty easy for me to just gently tap this and break it. Okay, so now I can reposition. So again, the tip is right here at the bottom, and so I'm going to just break this section off of here. Okay, let me just keep going the way we're going. Take this out and reposition it. I want to try to not let these fall down onto the base of the shower, even though I've got some towels down here. I don't want to damage it. And so we just keep working our way across. so let's see if we can just peel this one off. There we go. Okay, so good coverage for the tile. So now we just go ahead and scrape the rest of this off, and then we'll be all set. So, hey, thanks for watching. Leave some comments below if there's other things you'd like me to show you how to do relating to home improvements or handyman or tiling or renovations, that kind of thing. So again, thanks for watching. Love to have you subscribe.